Happy July, everyone. I hope you've had a wonderful 4th of July and have been enjoying time with your family and friends. If you're wondering whether now is a good time to buy or sell a home in Greenville County, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to break down the June housing market, explain what the latest interest rates are doing, and what all of this means for buyers and sellers. So let's jump in. So first and foremost, we start with single-family homes. For single-family homes, we currently have about 2,500 active homes on the market. During June, 887 new homes were listed and 710 were sold. The median list price came in at $415,000, while the median sold was $410,000. We're also seeing average days on market range between 52 and 77. One statistic I always like to watch is the absorption rate. Right now, we're seeing around 3.6 months of inventory, which tells us we're still leaning towards the seller's market, although conditions have been becoming more balanced than they were over the last couple of years. So moving on to townhomes. For townhomes, there are currently 550 active listings. During June, 175 were listed and 130 were sold. The median list price was $264,000, while the median sold came in around $266,000, so slightly above. Average days on market ranged from 66 to 85, and the absorption rate was about 4.2. Interest rates, let's talk about those. Interest rates, throughout June, rates remained fairly steady between 6.5 to 6.75, depending on your loan type and qualifications. As of today, July 24th, rates they dipped between 6.2 and 6.5. However, they're going back up now between 6.5 to 6.85. The encouraging news is that markets have been improving recently, and if that continues, we could possibly see mortgage rates decrease over the coming weeks. Of course, no one can guarantee that rates will do that, but it's something worth watching for. So with all that information, what does this all mean? How do we put it all together? Greenville County continues to have a mixed market. If your home is priced correctly, shows well, and is located in a desirable area, it can still sell quickly. At the same time, buyers have more inventory and more negotiation opportunities than they ever have. If you've been waiting for the right opportunity to purchase a home and your finances are in a good position, now could be a great time to start looking. If rates decrease in the future, you may have the opportunity to refinance. But if home prices continue to rise, waiting could end up costing more in the long run. So again, if you are thinking about buying or selling a home, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Or if you have questions about the market, or if you happen to know anybody thinking about buying or selling, you're looking at one of the most qualified agents in Greenville County to help you. Look forward to helping you out. If you have any questions, give me a ring. Look forward to talking to you in the next video. Bye-bye.